Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the JPEG image size on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that the camera is in photo mode. So you have the mode switch button right here on the top, and we're going to press that until we get the mode with the photos. So the eye with the camera icon is photo mode. And once we've done that, we're going to press the menu button to access the settings, go to shooting or the red camera section, and then we're going to select image quality / recording. And here we have JPEG image size. So we're going to press on that, and you have a few options. So small, medium, and large. Select the option that you want that fits you the best. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.